The desk is made of wood. The ice cream is made from milk and sugar. The ketchup is made with tomatoes. Made of? Made with? Made from? What about made in or made by? Prepositions can be tricky for a lot of English learners. In this lesson, you're going to learn all of the prepositions that can be used with made. Knowing this is going to make your English conversation sound more natural. Let's study together. Welcome to this American English preposition lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to study English here with me today. I know that for a lot of English learners, prepositions are a huge pain in the neck. But don't worry, I'm here to help out. By the end of this lesson, you're going to understand all of the prepositions that we use with the verb made. Let's check it out. First of all, we use made of to talk about the material that something is manufactured or produced from. When something is made of the material, you can still see that material. This desk is made of wood. Almost everything these days is made of plastic. That looks like glass, but it's actually made of vinyl. We use made from to show the materials or ingredients in something. When you use made from, the materials or ingredients have changed their form, so you can't see the original ones. This ice cream is all natural. It's made from milk, cream, and sugar. These candles are made from 100% natural soy wax and fragrance oil. This barbecue sauce is made from tomatoes, spices, and other natural ingredients. Let's compare. This desk is made of wood. Made of wood, because we can still see the wood in the desk. On the other hand, this ice cream is made from milk, cream, and sugar. So we can't see the individual ingredients, we just see the ice cream. That's the difference between made of and made from. We also use made with. Made with is similar to made from, but we tend to use made with when we talk about food. This all-natural ice cream is made with milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla. That ketchup was made with tomatoes and several secret ingredients. Those cookies are made with whole wheat flour and brown sugar. We use made in to show the place of origin of something. That TV was made in the USA. These days, Volkswagens that are sold in America are made in Mexico. I bought some pretzels that were made in Brooklyn. And lastly, we use made by to show the people or process used to produce something. These apple pies are made by hand. These candles were made by hand in New Mexico. Keep in mind, the best way to remember vocabulary is to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. Better yet, why not take some of those sentences and leave them in the comments below? I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.